Gonna put this this is a Mortex. It's a Rheem replacement coil. We had a former carrier corrosion coil, so made some changes. That's been changed out to brass. Had a plastic cap on there before. I don't trust them. And the water diverter has been changed. It's horizontal right. Horizontal right. The water diverter has been changed. Had some dye in it, so it's definitely leaking. Former carrier corrosion. RCQD done. Right here. The coil is being installed right now. Got my nitrogen. Getting ready to purge, and then I can't put my Appion on this job because the valve caps, when they put the valve caps back on, they're too tight, so I can't get the cores out. I don't want to attempt it. I could if I wanted to, but they're stuck in there pretty good, so forget it. So I'm gonna do this one a little bit different. Got her up running with the Mortex coil. I just put the Teslas on one side and I switch them over to the other side because I can't, I had to put a T in there, it's kind of like a pain, so it's running good. Got the 10-degree subcooling. This is my low side right here. But yeah, it's good. I had that green dye in there, so I'm not going to hook up my other gauges, so we're good to go. We are good to go. I cleaned it up. And, yep, it's all done.